Hello, this is Stu Sensei here once again to hit you up with today's phrase, which is exactly. Exactly. And this phrase can be used in two ways. I briefly touched on exactly in the previous video, and I want to highlight it here today. The first way it can be used, it means the same as precisely or perfectly. So it can be used like this. If you go to the shop and you ask someone, how much are these potato chips? You could ask, the store attendant may say to you, it is exactly 100 yen. That means it's 100 yen, not 101 yen, not 99 yen. It's exactly 100 yen. That's the first way. The second way to use exactly is as like a positive yes to confirm something that someone has asked you. So for example, say you're at work and you ask a colleague to do a task. They reply to you, just confirming the details. So you want me to take these to the photocopier, get them copied and then bring them back to you? Then you could reply, exactly. And that means, yes, I want you to do that. That's today's phrase. I hope that's useful for you and I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!